Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin fish fry. First, gather your ingredients like canned fish, your favorite spices, and cooking oil. Next, carefully drain the canned fish to remove all excess liquid. This helps achieve a crispier texture. Then, prepare a light batter or coating for the fish pieces. This initial preparation is crucial for a delicious and easy tin fish fry, ensuring a great start to your meal. Now, let's get frying. Heat about 1/4 inch of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated fish pieces into the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Fry each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. This step is where the magic happens. Once your fish is perfectly fried, immediately season it with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper to enhance its flavor. For the best experience, serve your crispy tin fish fry hot with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a tangy tartar or a spicy aioli. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley adds a lovely touch and extra taste. Enjoy your delicious creation. To ensure your tin fish fry isn't too oily, gently place the fried pieces on a paper towel for a moment to absorb any excess. Don't be afraid to experiment with various spices and seasonings to truly customize the flavor profile to your liking, perhaps a dash of paprika or a hint of garlic powder. Remember to check the description below for some great deals and a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere. Thanks for watching, and happy frying!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.